Hello. Unit 1, Education, Study Skills. How to learn vocabulary. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify root words, identify and use prefixes, identify and use suffixes. Root words. What do we mean by root words? A root word is a word in its simplest form. A root word has nothing added to it. Examples of a root word: cook, read, write, pack. Let's do some practice. What's the root word? The root word of played is play. Running, run. Reheat, heat. Quickly, quick. Unhappy, happy. Dislike, like. React, act. Misspell, spell. Unfriend, friend. Affixes. What does affixes or what do affixes mean? Affixes are word parts that change the meaning of a root word. Prefixes and suffixes are both affixes. I repeat, prefixes and suffixes are both affixes. N plus cook plus ed equals uncooked. N and ed are affixes. So n is a prefix, ed is a suffix. An example: the meat is uncooked. So prefix means before and suffix means after. Or they are letters or one letter. It can be one letter or many letters. A prefix is a letter or some letters that come before the word, and a suffix is a letter or some letters that come after the word. Prefixes. Prefixes are added to the beginning of a word, of a root word, I mean. They change the meaning of the root word. This plus like equals dislike. So this is a prefix. Re plus write equals rewrite. So re here is again a prefix. Re means again. Reread means to read again. Rewrite means to write again. So what does reheat mean? It means heat again. We say heat food again, heat lunch again. And means not or the opposite of. Uncomfortable means not comfortable. Unhappy means the opposite of happy. So, what does unpack mean? It means the opposite of pack. We say to pack boxes or to unpack boxes. Prefixes. Add a prefix to the beginning of each word to make a new word and match the word to its meaning. Take some time and do this exercise. Okay? So do or redo. What does redo mean? It means to do again. Happy, the opposite is unhappy. What does unhappy mean? It means not happy. Safe, the opposite, unsafe. What does it mean? The opposite of safe. Read again means to reread. To reread means to read again. The opposite of pack is unpack. So unpack, the opposite of pack. Prefixes an, in, im, il, ir, none, miss, this, or anti or anti. Anti or anti. Prefixes an, in, im, il, or ir. All these prefixes mean not or the opposite. Examples, we say unsafe, incomplete, impossible, illegal, irregular, irrelevant, irregular, irrelevant. I repeat, unsafe, incomplete, impossible, illegal, irregular, irrelevant. None, miss, this, and anti. So none means not connected with. Example, we say non-African. Miss means bad or wrong. We say, as an example, misunderstand. This means the opposite. Example, or for example, we say disagree, dislike, or disconnect. Anti means against. For example, we say antibiotic or antivirus. Antivirus. Now let's do some practice. Practice prefixes. Fill in the blanks with the correct prefixes from the table we have just seen. Number 1, your answer is between parentheses correct. Number 2, this story is between parentheses logical. Number 3, the cat between parentheses appeared quickly. Number 4, we, the verb to like horror films. Number 5, try to, the verb to connect these wires. Number 6, you used this verb between parentheses, of course. Number 7, you are patient, just wait. Number 8, I was, the verb to, I was, between parentheses, happy. I have come late. Number 9, the party was, between parentheses, formal. Number 10, he will be, between parentheses, able to do it. And number 11, between parentheses, regular verbs are easy to learn. Take some time and answer these or this exercise. Okay? Now, number 1, your answer is incorrect. Number 2, this story is logical. Number 3, the cat disappeared quickly. Number 4, we dislike horror films. Number 5, try to disconnect these wires. Number 6, you misused the verb or this verb. Number 7, you are impatient. You are impatient. Just wait. Number 8, I was unhappy. I have come late. Number 9, the party was informal. Number 10, he will be unable to do it. And number 11, the opposite of regular is irregular verbs. So irregular verbs are easy to learn. Now, the second type of affixes is called suffixes. What does a suffix mean? Suffixes are added to the end of a root word. They change the meaning of the root word. And of course, sometimes they change the grammatical category of the word. Example, wonder plus full equals Wonderful. Rest plus less equals restless. Restless. Okay?